Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw a cute schoolgirl. So let's start drawing. Draw half a square with rounded corners to make the face outline. Then close it at the top with a couple of curved lines to make the side part of the hair. Make sure to make a big face to fit all the face features inside. Draw 2 curved lines on top of the face outline to complete the bang. And decorate it with a couple of lines. Draw a small half circle on each side of the face to make the ears. Draw a large half circle on top to make the top of the hair. Then draw a strand of hair on each side of the face, coming down from each ear and meeting the face at the bottom. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Inside the face, draw the eye by drawing a large circle. And make the top thicker for the eyelashes. Then draw 2 smaller circles inside for the iris and the pupil. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps for the other eye. Draw an eyebrow over each eye. Draw a small half circle for the nose. Draw 2 small curved lines for the mouth. Draw a letter V under the face in the middle, and another upside-down letter V attached to it. Then join them with a couple of curved lines to finish the color. Draw a curved line coming down from the side of the collar to make the sleeve. Then make the same step on the other side for the other sleeve. Connect each sleeve to the strand of hair next to it to finish the girl's hair. Draw half a square in between the sleeves to make the shirt. Draw a letter V attached to the bottom of the collar, a long upside-down letter V, then another letter V at the bottom to finish the tie. Draw a small line to finish each sleeve. Then draw a hand on each side. Draw a line coming down from each side of the shirt to make the skirt. Finish the skirt with a curved line at the bottom and decorate it with a couple of vertical lines. Make the line between the skirt and the shirt thicker. For the legs, draw two lines coming down from the skirt, making the space between two lines narrower at the bottom. Draw two curved horizontal lines on each leg to make the sock. Draw the shoes. And decorate them with a curved line at the front. Adorable! Now you can draw a cute school girl. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.